Cartman. He's a lovely character and very easy to draw. So here we go. Big round head. Just like this. Big old circle for Cartman. He's a chubby fellow, so if you can draw a big old circle, you're good. There we go, there's a good start. And he's got a bit of a pom-pom on him. So you can draw a pom-pom like that. Oh, I like it. And then what we're gonna do is right across here, we're gonna draw his hat. There we go. That's a lovely brim for his hat. And let's make a double brim. So just follow that along and make it look like that. Very nice, I like it. And now we can draw his eyes. Cartman's got big old circled eyes. One here. And very close together will be the other one. Just like that. And a little round dot for his pupils. 1, 2. There we go. Now Cartman doesn't seem to have any nose, so we'll just continue with his mouth. And you can do just like this as if he's talking. Just like that. That's nice. A bit of an upside down triangle for him. And we could give him some teeth. Across like that. 1, 2. Looking good. And a bit of a chin here. And he's a bit of a tubby boy, so we'll give him a double chin. Just like that. There we go. Looking good. And now for Cartman's body. We'll start here. And here. Almost like a snowman. That's right. And he's got funny mitts that go like this. Down. On. And then his thumb. Just like that. And we'll do the same over here. 1. Around. And his thumb. Very good. I like it. And then his tummy comes across like this. And we'll give him a bit of a pudgy tummy. And meet him up like that. There we go. Now let's not forget his coat, jacket, and his buttons. 1, 2, 3. This is looking good. And now Cartman's always got the brown pants on here that we'll fill in with color later. And we'll match them up because he's a little lopsided, and that's the way Cartman is. He's a lopsided boy. And then we'll continue his feet here. 1. And they match up here together, no part. And 2. Foot 1, foot 2. Just like that. And that's Cartman. Not much to him, but he's looking good. Right after color. Here we go. His hat is going to be bluish green for his hat. Yellow for the pom-pom and his stripe and his mittens. We're gonna color in his face. And a red coat. Brown pants. And fill in the black shoes and his mouth. Very good.